Hey guys, it's Terri Harper at Spa Medical, and today I'm going to talk to first-time Botox users. As you can see, Botox is huge these days. In fact, the American Society of Plastic Surgery said there were just under 5 million cosmetic Botox treatments in our country in 2020. So, if you happen to be one of those who has never had Botox, I'm going to give you 5 tips on what you want to know before your first Botox treatment. The first thing is your injector. Know the experience, know how they've trained, read the reviews. We live in a review world, and if there is not a review on your injector, a good one at that, you may want to keep looking. But the reason it's so important to know your injector is because most injectors know the science and can technically do the procedure. But there's so much more involved, including the art of Botox and a lot of subjective views of the injector. So number 1, know your injector. Number 2, most people want to know, how much does it cost? That's the number 1 question that we get. How much does it cost? It's actually impossible for us to tell you over the phone because we look at the strength of your muscles, the depth of the lines that are made, and what your issues are. So we customize your dosage. You only pay for the amount of Botox that you get. Now, I do love to give you a range because some people will sit in my chair here and they won't know if it's $1,000 or $100. So let's just say the number 1 treatment area treated is this area right in here, the frown. That can be literally anywhere from $150 to $350, with the most common average treatment cost being right there in the middle of that at about $240, something like that. But we do have a free consultation at Spa Medical, so you can come and we'll tell you exactly what to expect. The third thing people want to know, and you'll want to know, is does it hurt? Everybody wants to know, does it hurt? Literally, if you take your fingernail and tap your forehead, that's about what you're going to feel. So don't ever let that keep you from trying Botox. Literally, it does not hurt that bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being unbearably painful, most people will give Botox a 1 or less. So that should give you some perspective about that. And the fourth thing you need to know is, how long is your appointment? What will you be doing while you're here? If you're a first-time Botox user, we have a 30-minute appointment here at Spa Medical, and that gives us time to listen to you, to hear your concerns, what bothers you the most, and for us to come up with a treatment plan that fits your goals and your budget. The actual injection of Botox is very quick, just a couple of minutes, but the majority of the time is spent on expectations, informed consent, getting to know your goals. Okay, the last thing is, how much downtime am I going to have after this? Do I need to take off work? Do I need to take a day, a week, or what? Actually, you may be surprised to know, if you've never had this, you can do anything you want right after this. A lot of people come on their lunch break. They won't know you've had anything done, and neither will you, because it takes several days for Botox to even kick in. Generally, an average of 3 to 7 days, you'll see some results from Botox. But following your treatment, the only thing we're going to ask you is to not lay flat or on your side. Don't wear any kind of tight-fitting headgear. Some of these cute girls come in with tight baseball caps on. I don't want you to do that. Only for about a 2-hour time frame. So for about 2 hours, I don't want you to do certain things, but typically any time of day, 2 hours you can do, and nobody will know that you've had it. So you can go back to work, go along your merry way. So there are 5 things you need to know. Number 1, the injector. Number 2, the cost. Number 3, does it hurt? Not really. Number 4, what to expect at your appointment time. And then the last one, how much downtime do I have? So I hope to see you as a first-time Botox patient at Spa Medical.